Going to do a quick lesson on White Rabbit. You can play it with all power chords. I tend to just use bar chords and just emphasize the lower strings. But you can play this all power chord. Starts out on E. This is my arrangement. I don't think the recording starts on E. Then goes to F. You have chords that close. They sound kind of evil. One pill makes you larger. One pill makes you strong, small. What's it about that gets you E to F? Do anything at all? Okay. And then the chorus is G. Go Alice. B flat. C. Back to G. Then it goes to the next verse. It starts on E. Right back to F. E. Goes to a bridge after the second time around. D. G. This is also how the song ends. E. Think she'll know. And this is the third verse. Portion. And go to the high F. E. Then it goes G, B flat, C. So we're gonna, on the last verse, I like to go up to this high E on the 7th fret. With the high F on the 8th fret. Fifth string root. And then for the chorus, I go back to the G. Let's get this. Okay, and then for the conclusion, it says D, feed your head. Feed your head. Your head. So it's D to G. That's how the song ends. So, and I think you could play, so you can play around with the E minor pentatonic and also the F minor pentatonic. And that will give you like a Phrygian mode. When you mix those two, it sounds really gnarly because they're so close together. But that works over this song because you got that, especially when you're playing the E to F verses. All right, hope you enjoyed this White Rabbit lesson, and don't forget to subscribe. Rock on.